Hey guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing of this Dyson Hot+cool jet focus bladeless fan and heater. Fast, even for room heating, powerful personal cooling. Now with jet focus control. Here is the here's some information right here. Jet focus control focuses for long-range powerful airflow, or diffuses for wide projection to mix the surrounding air. Heats in the winter, cools you in the summer, effective all year. Air multiplier technology for powerful air projection, no blades. 2-year warranty on parts and labor. The first fan heater with Quiet Mark accreditation. Here's the warning label right there. It's the ingestion hazard warning label. And it says to keep, and it says keep out of reach of children. Here is the other side. Here's the side of the box right here. Here's the Dyson logo. Jet focus technology. Here's some information right there. Pause if you want to read this. Here's the one in Spanish. Pause if you want to read it. Here's this right here. Pause if you want to read this. And same thing, but in Spanish. All right. Let's turn it over. Here's the other side of the box. Right here. Pause if you want to read all this. And here's some more information right here. Pause if you want to read this. And it's designed in England. Here is the back of the box, right here. Heats in the winter, cools you in the summer. Here's some information on the back. Pause if you want to read all this. And right up there is the top of the box. It says Dyson Hot+cool jet focus. And here's some more information up there. Pause if you want to read all this. And right here is the unit itself. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, it opens like that. And here. Okay, I don't think this comes off. There's like a lot of flaps in here. Got your important safety instructions for a product containing button/coin batteries. And here is the warning right there. You can pause if you want to read all this. And it uses a CR2032. So yeah. Got your operating manual right here. And see what's over here. Got this right here, which is in bubble wrap. I can open it. Okay. See what this is. Let's pull the corners of the box right here. Got this right here. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bubble wrap. Got the base right here and the remote control. And I think it's, yep, it's actually held on there by tape. So here is the remote. Let me go ahead and see if I can take it out of the bag. Here it is right here. And you got your battery tab right here. I think I believe to pull it. And I think there's a coin battery in there because it's used for the remote. So yeah. Get that out of the way. And right here, here is the bladeless fan / heater. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag, or whatever this thing is that is on there, that white thing. Also, before we take it out of this right here, this white pouch, there is a box right there on the heater. We can just peel the tape out if we can. This tape comes off, and right here is the cardboard box. Right here, if we pull this off, and here's the power cord. Let's go ahead and take the heater out of this white bag, or whatever this is. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, here is the fan or heater, whatever this is, out of the box. And we put the cardboard box and everything off to a side because we don't want to make a mess in here. So yeah. So here it is. Here's the fan right here, and there is a warning tag right here. It says warning, risk of heat stroke, hyperthermia, and it says remove before use. And yeah. So it comes with everything out of the box, especially the manual, the base, and the remote. And this is the unboxing of the Dyson Hot+cool bladeless heater and fan. And that's it.